Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. In this episode, we're going to make questions to ask quantity. The question word for quantity is gade. Gade. How many? How much? Good news for you in Kachin language, for both countable and uncountable nouns, we normally use gade. If we are to make questions, here's one word we need to know. That is rai. Rai. Rai is a word we use at the end of every question. Gade rai. How many? Gade rai. How much? I believe it is easier to make questions if we know the patterns. So, here's the first pattern. Noun plus gade rai. Masha means people or human. Masha gade rai. How many people are there? Masha gade rai. Nta means home. When you combine home and people, we have family member. Nta masha. Nta masha gade rai. How many family members do you have? Nta masha gade rai. Mga. Nta masha gade rai. Sanit. The number to this question tends to be big because big families are common in Kachin community. Another reason is that Kachin culture tends to be collectivist, which means we live with our extended family members and we usually count them into our own nuclear family. So if you ask your Kachin friends, "Nta masha gade rai?" it is highly likely that they would give you big number, including the extended family members such as grandpa, grandma, aunties. Asak means life. Asak. Asak gade rai. Can you guess the meaning? Asak gade rai. It means, how old are you? Asak gade rai. Kun snit. Ndai. This. Ndai. Ndai gade rai. How much is it? Ndai gade rai. Ndai like book gade rai. How much is this book? Ndai like book gade rai. King musu mangasa.